Features a hydrostatic spindle, and LeadGem is the only manufacturer in Taiwan which can offer their own brand hydrostatic spindle to their customers. The hydrostatic spindle provides ultra-low friction, almost zero wear and tear, and incredible rigidity, and LeadGem guarantees this spindle for at least 3 years of perfect operation. This grinder has been designed with clients' needs in mind and provides automatic lateral movement on both sides with both the grinding wheel and regulating wheel self-adjusting to guarantee centering of the bar material, ultra-low stress and very high machining accuracy.